Most YouTubers fail before uploading their first video, but I'm going to be making sure you're not one of those. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to upload your first video on YouTube the right way. So by the end of this video, you'll already be confident that your channel is on the right track. I'm Nkechi and I help beginners start and grow their YouTube channel from scratch. Subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a tutorial, you'll be the first person to get notified. So without much saying, let's get right into it.
Step 1. Open Chrome on your phone and go to studio.youtube.com. Once it loads, tap the three dots in the top right corner and switch to desktop site. That way you can see all the options just like on a computer. Step 2.
Now click create at the top, then select upload video. Choose your video file from your gallery. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. While it's uploading, YouTube will scan your video in the background. I'll show you what that look like later.
Step 3.
This part is very important. Type a clear title that explains what your video is about. For the description, give a short summary. Think of it like introducing your video in 1 or 2 sentences. Viewers will know exactly what to expect.
Step 4. Now for the thumbnail. If you want people to actually click your video, you need a custom thumbnail.
But here is something important. If you don't see the options to upload a custom thumbnail, it means your channel isn't verified yet. That happened to me when I first started. Don't worry, I already made a step-by-step video showing you exactly how to verify your YouTube channel so you can add thumbnail and unlock other features. I'll link it below and on the screen so you can watch it after this video.
Step 5.
If you have playlists, you can add your video here. Playlists help to binge more of your videos. I mean to watch more of your videos, which tells YouTube that viewers love your channel. And if you don't have one yet, no problem, just skip this step for now.
Step 6.
Now tell YouTube if your video is made for kids or not. If you select yes, it's made for kids, then comments will be turned off automatically. If you select no, then anyone can comment. So think about who your audience really is before choosing.
Step 7.
If your video was heavily edited with AI or VR, just choose yes. If it is just your original video, leave it on a no. This step just helps YouTube to understand what the type of content you're uploading.
Step 8.
Set the language to English or whichever language you're speaking. This helps you to process your video faster and recommend it to the right audience. If you leave it blank, YouTube has to guess and sometimes it gets it wrong.
Step 9.
Keep your license on standard YouTube license. This will protect your channel. Make sure allow embedding is checked. That way, other websites can share your video, which can bring you extra views later on. Also, leave notify subscribers on so that when you start growing, people will actually get your uploading notifications.
Step 10.
Pick the category that matches your content. For YouTube tutorial like this, I usually pick education. If you're not sure, just choose the one that feels closest. You can always change it later.
Step 11. You also see options for and end screen. As a beginner, you can skip this step for now because you need to verify your account first before using them. Step 12. YouTube will automatically check your video for copyright issues. If you see no issues found, you're good to go. This means your video does not have any copyright issues. Step 12. Now it's time to decide who can see your videos. Private means only you can watch your video. Unlisted means only people with your link can watch it. While public means everyone can see your video on YouTube. Since this is your first upload, just choose public so YouTube will know your channel is active. You can also use the schedule option to set a future date and time for publishing. That way your viewers will know exactly when to expect your videos. Once you've chosen, go ahead and hit publish. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your very first YouTube video.
Now that you are beating the fear and have successfully uploaded your first video. There are mistakes beginners make that cost them views and subscribers. I made that same mistake and it affected my growth on YouTube. That is why in my next video, I'll be sharing with you things you should never do after uploading your video on YouTube. So make sure you put on your notification bell so that you don't miss it. See you again in my next video. Bye.